Let me start by answering a very basic question asked by most of the parents. What is personality development? Today I'm going to tell you a fact. Most of you might be aware of it. For some of you, it can be a good news. And the well-known fact is, every individual is blessed with a certain set of unique qualities. Yes, that's true. Every one of us is different. For example, some might be good at studies, some might be good at sports, some might be good in some other creative activities. Let me ask you a question. Apart from our looks, have you ever observed that our behaviors, our habits, our thinking patterns differ from each other? Yes, they do. And that makes us special. Putting all of these things together, decide that who you are and how are you going to react in different situations. Personality development is nothing but discovering your own qualities and then presenting them in front of everyone. Most of us crave for success, isn't it? However, in today's world, how much marks you get in exams cannot be a benchmark of success. And I'm sure you all will agree when I say, to become successful, we have to focus on the overall development of an individual. This is where working on your soft skills comes into picture. We will be sharing with you ample of personality development tips in between the course schedules to achieve your goals. So see you soon.
PAS Private Tutorials. Passion for education.